Hey, Liberated Souls, welcome to my channel, Liberty Serenity. I'm Tracey. So, there's one place in our house that has some clutter and it's gotta go. Clutter, not only in your home, but in your mind and in your life, really is very impactful and very hard on your healing and your self discovery journey because all of that clutter prevents you from being focused. Come along with me as we declutter our garage to get it ready for building out Marshmallow, but also to give us a breath of fresh air. All right? Finally got dressed. I'm getting ready to eat some breakfast because I am going to need all the energy that I can get when I get out there in the garage. Oh my goodness. What have I gotten myself into? Jeez, Nelly. Well, ain't nothing to do but to get started and get to it. Okay, yeah. Y'all see what I'm working with? My husband started this project to organize the garage, and this is the aftermath. So here goes everything so I can make some room to build out the van when I need to, if it's raining or cold or something like that. So yeah. Gotta move the cars though. I can't believe this. Oh. Okay. Y'all, I gotta regroup. I did not realize it was this intense. So, I'm gonna move the big stuff first. And then I'm gonna work on the small stuff. Because right now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but I got this. I got this. Okay. tell you, I got pots for days. This stuff right here is actually out of Marshmallow, from what the previous builder did, and I'm keeping them because I'm going to use them to outline my walls and stuff like that. So gotta keep this. These are the cushions that the young lady made to make her bed in Marshmallow. I'm not gonna use these, but I gotta find somewhere to toss them. So this is how far I've gotten so far. Hope you can see that. Gotten those two areas cleaned off. You can actually see a little bit. Now I'm getting ready to move those blue buckets. That's rainwater my husband and I collect for our plants. So I'm gonna move those, and we're gonna leave those outside because they don't need to be in here. And hopefully I can get all of that side done today, because it's really kind of dangerous, to be quite honest. So yeah, that's, your girl is over here sweating. This is the result. Hubby is out here helping me now, so I'm very appreciative. We're getting there. Got most of the pots up, but we still have lots more to go. This is day 2 of garage cleanup and organization. I don't even know what time it is, but we've gotten everything in the garage. Everything in the black bags are trash. The trash man is going to have a lot to toss. But that's how the garage is looking right now. So we're feeling good about it. We've got room to walk. We'll have plenty of space when we get all this trash out of here. So yeah, and we have tons of donations too, so pretty proud of that. Whew. Still have more organization to do once we get all this other stuff out, but at least we've got this done. Right, Hubs? The garage is finally done, and I'm so proud of James and I because woo, it was not an easy task, and we got it done in less than, I want to say 48, 72 hours. Teamwork truly makes the dream work, but I'm not going to tell you about how the garage looks. I'm going to show you, all right? So this is the garage. We got all the pots on that side, and we've even given some away. We can walk without tripping. The water is going to go back outside when the weather gets warm, and the pallet is going to go away with the flooring once I get the van flooring done. So yeah, we've given away almost all of the clothes. We have like one bag of clothes. We got all the trash thrown away or given away. So we are proud. There is some more organization that has to be done, but we're probably going to hire someone to do that because that ain't my calling. That just ain't my calling. So, but I am proud. There's plenty of room for me to do what I need to do to build Marshmallow out. And again, we can walk in here safely. It is not a trip hazard. It's not a safety hazard. Everything is in its place. We know where things are. And that was what I was hoping for. Thank you guys for hanging out with me during this garage declutter reorganizing. I really appreciate it. I know this isn't the content that you're usually used to because we're doing the van build, but this is actually part of it. So if you like this type of content and would like to see more of my life, the day-to-day life, things of that nature, please let me know in the comments. Drop in the comments and let me know what type of content you'd like to see, and I'll do my best to create that content for you. If you are new here, thank you so much for taking the time out to hang out with me. I hope that something in the video inspired you to hit the subscribe button, and if so, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. I really, really appreciate you. Without further ado, I am going to let you all go, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care and continue to grow, thrive, and flourish.